Howdy, y'all, and welcome to WordPress Wednesday. Today, we are talking about how to install plugins on your WordPress site. To get started, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, find the Plugins button on the left-hand side of your screen and click it. Once you've clicked it, you will arrive on a page that lists all of the plugins that are currently installed on your website. To add a new plugin, find the button that says Add New and click it. Clicking Add New will bring you to the WordPress plugin directory where you can search for and install all WordPress approved plugins. Today, we will be installing a plugin called Smush. To get going, we will type the word Smush into the search bar. And here it is at the top of the search results page. Before we install the plugin, it is worth noting that the quality control for the WordPress plugin directory is not the strictest. This means that before installing a plugin, you should look for a couple of indicators that the plugin is good and that it won't break your website. The indicators that we look for are at least 20 5-star reviews and at least 5,000 active installs. In this case, Smush fits the bill. Seeing as Smush is safe, we will click Install Now. It usually takes a few seconds for the plugin to download. Once downloaded, if you're ready to use it right away, you can click Activate. After the plugin is activated, you will see it with your other active plugins. Anytime you activate a new plugin, it is good to check the front end to make sure that nothing is broken. If something is broken, you can always click the Deactivate button to reverse any breaking changes. If you choose to leave the plugin inactive, we also recommend deleting it. Now you know how to install plugins on your WordPress site. Do note that most plugins negatively impact site speed and performance, so it is best to keep active plugins to a minimum when possible. Okay, I think that's all for today. We'll catch you next time.